Hello friends and welcome to my channel Codecraft Shop. My name is Salesh Kushwaha and today in this course we will learn how to deploy an application in OpenShift from container images using web console and deploying application in OpenShift from container images using command line. In the demo I will show you both the methods, so please watch the video till end. So deploying an application using an image. Image is basically a container image and the images are hosted on Docker Hub. So we will use an existing image and using that image we will deploy our application using web console in the OpenShift cluster. So in order to do that, first of all we need to log into web console, and then on the topology page we have to select the container images which I will show you in the demo, and the portion highlighted in red is the container image that we will deploy. And after deploying the image we will check the overview of the application and we will check the routing and services information. The second way to deploy an image is using command line. We will log in into the system using the command line tool, and then we will delete the existing application that has been created in the previous step. And in the demo I will show you a lot of commands as how we can delete the application and how we can create the application. The image which we are going to deploy is the same image which we have used in the previous step, and the following command highlight image that we are going to deploy using the command line tool. So we will begin the demo. If you are watching the video for the first time, then please go and subscribe my channel. It will help you in getting the most latest updates whenever I upload. So let us begin the demo. So first method is using the web console. So I have logged into my system, and then here I will find an option container image. So I will click on this container image. So here you can see that we have image name from external registry. Since we are using an external registry, that is Docker Hub, the system has validated that it is the correct image. And OpenShift by default specifies the application name and the name. So application name is the name, a unique name given to the application grouping to label your resources. Means all the resources that are available in this application will be grouped using this application name. We will select the deployment config, and we have selected the create a route to the application. So it means that by clicking on this checkbox we are confirming that we wanted a route for this application. We will click on create button, so it will deploy the image. So it has created the application. So if you can see on the screen, the circle is getting blue. So it has deployed the application. We will access the application using the route. So this is the application that has been deployed. So this is the way to create or deploy an application using the container images in OpenShift. Now we will move on to the second part, that is deploying the application using the container image using command line tool. So first of all I will log in into the system. Will first of all delete the application. So before deleting the application we need to look for the whether the application is there or not. So the command to check the application is already there or not. So we first of all we will check for all the applications in the project that we have created. I will select the project. So this was the name of the application that, so I will select only that application. and now I will delete all the resources associated with this label. This is the app is equal to, and this is the label that OpenShift automatically applies whenever we deploy an application. We can also give a different label, which I will show you in next demo. So OC delete all minus selector app is equal to blog Django by will delete all the resources associated with this application, and we will verify once again by using the command OC get all minus o minus name. So OC get all minus o name describes all the resources that we have in the project. Now all the resources have been deleted, and we will deploy our application. So using this command OC new app and the name of the image, I will deploy the application. It has created the application, and now we will check the resources. So if you can see on the screen, the resources has been created. Now in order to access the application globally, we need to expose the services. So we will expose the services using this command OC expose and the service and the name of the service. So it will expose the service globally. Now we will get the URL using the command OC get route slash and then the name of the application. So it will give us the URL through which we can access the application from browser. So I'm copying this one and now go to the Chrome. So I have opened the Chrome, and now if you can see, we are able to access the application. We will also verify the application that has been created from the command line in the web console. So this the application is already there, and we can also access the application using this arrow button. So this is all about the demo, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked the video, please go and watch other videos related to the OpenShift, and you can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter at the handle CodeCraft Shop. Thank you.